In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in a Zoom meeting on a laptop. This is a very useful feature, especially when you need to present a document, demonstrate a process, or collaborate with others in real time. I'll guide you through everything in a simple and easy-to-follow way so you can confidently share your screen during any meeting. To begin, go ahead and open the Zoom application on your laptop. Once it's launched, you have two options. You can either start a new meeting or join an existing one. For this demonstration, we'll start a new meeting. After entering the meeting room, you'll see several controls at the bottom of the Zoom window. Look for the button labeled Share. This is the main option you'll use to display your screen to other participants. Click on it, and a new window will appear, showing different sharing options. If you want to share everything visible on your laptop, simply select your entire screen from the available choices. However, if you prefer to show only a specific application or window, you can select that instead from the list. This is especially helpful if you want to keep other content private while presenting only what's necessary. Before you proceed, you also have the option to include your computer's audio. To do this, check the box labeled Share Sound. This ensures that any audio playing from your device will also be heard by the meeting participants. Once you've selected what you want to share and adjusted your settings, click the Share button at the bottom of the window. Your screen will now be visible to everyone in the meeting. If you notice that the Share button is unavailable, it usually means that screen sharing permissions are restricted. In this case, the meeting host needs to allow participants to share their screens. If you are the host, click the small arrow next to the Share button and open the advanced sharing settings. From there, make sure the option for who can share is set to allow all participants. You can also adjust the additional sharing permissions to ensure smooth collaboration. After updating these settings, screen sharing should work properly for everyone in the meeting. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.